Welcome to the world of digital marketing in 2024. Businesses today need to embrace digital marketing for success. Adapting to the changing digital landscape can be challenging. Stay ahead with emerging trends like AI integration. Social media is a key player in digital marketing. Personalized content can engage audiences effectively. Businesses struggle to keep up with digital trends. Implementing AI can streamline marketing strategies. Let's dive into the world of digital marketing. Discover how personalized content can boost engagement. The key moment is here, a groundbreaking insight. Enhance your digital marketing efforts with this strategy. To succeed, adapt to new marketing strategies. Stay competitive by embracing digital trends. The question is, how can your business benefit from AI? Explore digital marketing strategies for success. Engage with viewers by sharing your thoughts. Comment below on digital marketing trends. Stay informed by watching related videos. Thank you for joining us in exploring digital marketing.